Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure the hardware is ready. Confirm your iPad supports active stylus input and that Bluetooth is on. Once done, charge the stylus enough to pair. Low battery can break Rejection. Next, open the app you'll use, Notes, Procreate, or another that explicitly lists palm Rejection. You don't need to fiddle with obvious settings. Pair the pencil now, then return to the app and prepare a blank canvas to verify input is recognized and ready. Once paired, you move into the app-level configuration. Open the app's preferences and look for palm Rejection, ignore touch, or similar options and enable them. Make adjustments to pen pressure, tilt response, and rejection sensitivity to match your hand posture. A higher rejection reduces stray touches but may affect gestures. If your app lacks settings, check iPad accessibility options for touch accommodations. Test with a short stroke while resting your palm. If strokes fail, increase sensitivity and retest. To finish, perform a full workflow test. Draw, erase, and use gestures while your palm rests naturally. Make iterative tweaks to sensitivity until the stylus is reliable. If you still get stray marks, restart the app, then the iPad, and repair the stylus. Connection glitches often cause false touches. Finally, make sure iPad OS and the app are up to date. If problems persist, reset the app's input settings or reinstall it. Tip: if Rejection fails after updates, try another app to isolate software versus hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.